everything is hassle-free. Siguro, I'll be same, the tip of our iceberg. No capital needed.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to a new episode of Getting to Know iPhilnur Realty Solutions. I am Jennifer Love Lagrimas, one of the interns of the leading real estate here in Antique. And today, I am so excited to share with you inspiring stories about vision, perseverance, and purpose. Join me in exploring the humble beginnings of iPhilnur Realty Solutions and getting to know the challenges they have overcome and also the core values that shape the companies into what it is today. So are you ready? Because I am. Let's go and meet the founder and CEO of iPhilnur Realty Solutions, Sir L. Leo L. Dimamay. Hello everyone, I am here today with the CEO and founder of iPhilnur Realty Solutions.
Hi Jen, welcome sa iPhilnur Realty Solutions.
Thank you so much, sir, for that warm welcome. So, are you ready?
Yeah, actually, this is my first time to conduct an interview, but for me, I'm happy that I can share my experience and my story behind the success of iPhilnur.
It is my greatest privilege to interview you today, sir. So, are we ready to start?
We can start.
Okay. What inspired you to establish iPhilnur Realty Solutions?
Okay. First of all, iPhilnur Realty Solutions is not only my business. We have a lot of businesses that I built before, but that business is failed. So one of my coach teach me on how to start the real estate and the brokerage firm, and that my mentor is suddenly died during the pandemic. So that's also my inspirations why I do iPhilnur and to help also to other persons who are looking for a mentor or a coach in terms of the business.
That's a great story, sir. And in the last 2 years of running this business, what are the challenges you encountered?
Yeah. First, siguro during that first 2 years, actually 4 years of my business, I struggle a lot. First of all, because I'm the one who built the company from scratch. I'm the one who do selling, marketing, admin, documentations, and especially the commissions of my agent. And the biggest challenge here is how to settle the uh, the problem inside during the transactions with the client, with the buyers. That's also the after sales. So that's the hardest part of my starting of business. But eventually, because also I continuous learning and I study how the companies run the business. So eventually, I succeed or overcome that challenges and problems in the business.
Right. Sometimes we learn from those problems we have encountered. What do you think this company sets apart from other real estate?
Okay. So since I do before project selling and I discover or I experience the other realty, they are only focused on the brokerage and others realty are focused on the project selling. So what are the difference of the project selling and the brokerage? Project selling, if you are focused on the subdivisions, condominiums, memorial park, everything that is always have a project to sell. But the brokerage, if you focus on the lots or the properties that you are the one who scrutinize all the documents, the titles. After that, you also the one to transfer the title to your clients, and this a lot of headache if you do brokerage. So that's why sometimes ang mga client is or mga brokerage like my mga colleague in they don't want in the brokerage because kailangan ng may legal team.
Yes.
Kasi it involves legalities. So, dami dyan na hindi gusto pumasok and they are focused on the project selling. What are make difference from them? So, we create an ecosystem that every time we buy or we transact with iPhilnur, everything is hassle-free. Because in the time you buy the property, our company has the one to scrutinize all the documents, the papers, and if we sell, that papers or that property is already clean. So you have a peace of mind and
Yes.
we don't want to worry anymore. And secondly, If you are looking for the project selling, syempre ang iba, humahanap din ng mga property like in Iloilo, and gusto nila na may mga bahay, subdivision na sila. So we also offer with them. We combine the brokerage and the project selling. And the good thing here in iFilnor is we focus on the land titling or the documentation process. And that's the difference with other realty. So here in iFilnor, we have a staff or admin that focus on the land titling. So you have a hassle-free transactions. And the good thing here, we build another services that can cater as well to the client na naghahanap din ng constructions. That's why we build a design and build. And we have right now technical persons that focus on the land, on the design and build alone. And they are happy. Actually, most of my clients are happy because we are different with other contractors. Why? Because we focus on the sustainable development. I am also an environmental planner. That's why I can put my knowledge on the design and build. And siguro yun yung different namin. And isa pa na gusto namin na i-serve ngayon, yun yung property management. And yun yung mga gusto natin na i-offer yung sa mga client na bumili na sa atin ng property and doon gusto nila maka-income din doon sa property na binili nila. So we build right now a property management to handle that kind of services. So I think and I believe that's the difference on other realty na wala kanila yung ginagawa namin. So that's the way I can identify our unique from other business.
Aside from the quality itself, it has already the complete package that a client is looking for.
Yeah.
So, speaking of clients, no, in real estate, we deal with different clients. So, have you experienced a moment wherein you have encountered difficult to deal with?
Yeah. Actually, Jen, that's normal if you do business.
Yes.
Because I believe that may mga client na different characteristics, different personalities. But for me, that's part of our growth, how we handle that kind of client. If you ask me how I can handle that client, so we need to know first what are our mistakes. Kung mistakes namin ba talaga yan, so we accept it. If not, inform them.
For you, sir, how do you define success for your business?
Actually, success is continuous, continuous improvement. And the success involves if you don't stop dreaming, don't stop innovating. Because I believe as an entrepreneur, you need to innovate to provide a good service and to provide a quality living for your customers and for the community you serve.
And knowing that they are happy with your services, I'm sure it is a great success for this company. Okay. For the final question, sir, what advice would you give to aspiring real estate professionals or entrepreneurs who look up to your journey?
Okay. First, for me, when I started, during the college life, I decided before I graduate, I want to become an entrepreneur. But the problem is, who will teach me? Who will guide me? And the first thing that I look is the mentor, the community who will teach me on how to do business. And yun yung nahanap ko. Siguro kung walang community noon, siguro I'll be same for my family na stuck for the employment. And because of the eagerness that I want to do business, so yun siguro yung nagtumulong sa akin na paano umangat doon sa business because that community will help me to not only develop my personal development but they teach me on how to build a company. So that's that thing right now that inspire me to do iFilnor Realty Solution because in that community they teach us from on how to start a business, negotiations, and building a company. So that's the greatest thing that I owe to that community na binigay sa akin. Kaya kailangan, if you are looking for, if you want to do business, first, you look for the mentor, a community na mag-guide sa inyo. Second, find your passion. What are your passions? Not all the business na nakita mo, na pwede mo pasukin is makakagain ka na. So no. So find a passion. Find a business na nagbibigay sa'yo ng passion. Kasi yung business, a lot of challenges, a lot of problems. Kung wala kang passion doon, sometimes mabuboard ka and you will say na mag-quit ka na lang. So yun dapat. And then, the last thing is you need to identify your deepest why. Your deepest why is the foundations of your overall success. If you don't if you are not clear with your deepest why, bakit ginagawa mo to, it's hard for you to become successful. Kasi sabi ko nga, yung success is a tip of our iceberg. Alam mo yung iceberg?
Yes.
Diba? It's only 10% of the total challenges we have. So kung yung foundation mo is mababaw and yung challenges is malaki, so eventually kahit nakaangat ka na yan, eventually babagsak ka. So this is the three things that you need to consider if you do a business.
That was very inspiring and marami akong na-learn sa'yo, sir. Baka pwede ka maging mentor.
So if you want to do a mentor, sabi ko nga, the good thing is in iFilnor, I designed a system for the community, for the aspiring entrepreneur who are looking for the mentor or a coach. Because if you join here in iFilnor Realty Solution as an agent, you will align and teach you on how to become entrepreneur, not only in mind, but we are giving you a business actually that you can start right now. And the good news is I can mentor to you if you join here in
That's
iFilnor.
great.
That's the greatest gift that we offer with iFilnor. And the good thing is no capital needed, only your
Yes.
presence and determination.
And also your talents.
Yeah.
Bawal mahiya pag nasa real estate, di ba, sir?
Yeah, tutulong ka namin if you mahiya ka but you have a deepest why. Sabi ko nga, I started before na mahiyain din but I conquer it because I have a deepest why. So that's the thing that siguro yun yung pili namin matulong. Basta magpunta ka lang or message ka lang sa page namin or kung makita mo ito yung ma-upload namin, so
Yeah.
just comment and para yung staff namin makapag-guide sa inyo kung paano ka makapag-join dito.
So, ayan guys, you heard it from himself, no? The CEO. Libre lang mangarap, pero we should know our deepest why. Thank you for watching and thank you also, sir,
Thank you.
for
Thank you,
sharing
Jen.
us your ideas and your knowledge and experience about real estate. Please comment down below kung ano yung mga na-learn nyo today sa ating interview. And also visit our Facebook page at iFilnor Realty Solutions, and you may also like and share this video. And also, meron kaming website from www.ifilnor.com. Pwede nyo din mag-visit yan. So, thank you so much. Bye!
Bye-bye. Thank you.